Girl math explained by kitties. Kitty wants new bag. Kitty checks price. Want a 50D. Calls boyfriend for advice. Mansplains that we are saving money. Not a problem, you have girl math. If I use it every day, that's like 0.40 a day, and I'll definitely use it all year, so it's basically less than $1 a day, which is cheaper than matcha, and I was gonna get matcha anyway. So I'm actually saving money, and it'll last more than a year. So the price keeps going down, so technically, it's free. So technically, I made money. Track your girl math before it gets worse. Girl math spending bestie app. Try it for free in the App Store.